Hello guys, ECGC has conducted examination for probationary officer on 29th of May and the expected result date was in between 15th to 19th of June, right? You can see this is the official website advertisement notification. तो अब हम लोग देख लेते हैं ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट में रिजल्ट आई है या नहीं आई, राइट? टुडे इज 24th of June. So total number of post was 75 for the PO, ECGC PO. Now we will directly visit the official website and we will see the live status of the result. सो दिस इज़ द ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट गाइज, मैंने ओपन कर लिया है, यहाँ पर देख सकते हो आप. सो दिस इज़ द इम्पोर्टेंट न्यूज़. यस फाइनली द रिजल्ट इज़ आउट गाइज. यू कैन सी click here for the list of shortlisted candidate for interview of probationary officer. Examination was conducted on 29th of May. So what you have to do, you have to go and click here. When you click here, the official web page PDF will open, right? So this is the news guys. So congratulations those who are qualified, right? Share this news with other friends जिन्होंने भी 29th of May को एग्जामिनेशन दिया था ECGC PO का. And if you like this video, hit the subscribe button and notification bell and also like this video. So what you have to do, simply visit the official website and check your result, right? So this is all about today guys. Check your result and tell me in the comment box you are qualified or not, right? So one important conclusion is that total number of post was 75, right? ECGC PO. और टोटल नंबर कैंडिडेट शॉर्ट लिस्टेड हुए हैं टोटल 410. 75 के लिए 410 कैंडिडेट को शॉर्ट लिस्टेड किया गया है. सो दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट टुडेज वीडियो. सो इफ़ यू लाइक दिस नोटिफिकेशन, एग्जाम रिजल्ट, then hit the subscribe button and notification bell and also share this with other friends right now.